Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing awesome. In today's video, I'll show you how to use booster tokens in eFootball mobile to power up your players and give them that extra edge in every match that you play, and it will help you win even the toughest match. So make sure you stick to the end of the video, and let's get started with the video. From the main menu, go to the My Team option right here, and there you have to simply go to boosters. Otherwise, you can simply go to game plan as well, and this is it where you will see all your collected booster tokens right here. If you don't see that option, you might be new to the game, so that is why it is not showing up on your screen. Select the players you want to upgrade, simply tap on them, and booster tokens can improve specific abilities like speed, strength or passing depending on the type of token. Simply tap on player progression, continue. As you can see, you can increase your player stats from here. To apply booster, choose the token you want and confirm. The player stats will increase instantly, and remember, some tokens are limited use or tied to events, so look out for them and make sure to use them before they run out of the time. And that's how you can use booster tokens in eFootball mobile. Apply them smartly and make your squad unstoppable. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and comment which player you boosted first. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.